Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Jasmine again, and today is another video of my favorite chicken dish. And this dish is invented by me because one day I was just trying to make something different, and then I invented this dish by myself, okay? And I've named this dish as Malai Murg Masala. It's because I add some cream in this, so that's the reason I named it as Malai Murg Masala. And it's like really amazing. It tastes superb with ghee rice, chapatis or naan or fulkas as well. I personally prefer it with chapatis and ghee rice, so that's the reason I have made some ghee rice so that I'll complement this with this Malai Murg Masala. Okay, so I'll be starting to show you from how I chop my vegetables and all the ingredients and all of that. Okay, so yeah, let's get started with the video. you have liked this video and this recipe as well. So please do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up, okay? And then I'll come up with more new recipes which I have invented by myself, okay? So see you again in my next video. Till then, take care, bye bye. And also enjoy Malai Murg Masala.